Here is new project. Need to install stairs. Together 14, 3 window stairs, 1, 2, 3, 4 open side stairs, and another one is just wall to wall. So guys, install the floor here, you see, and I can't install nosings. There is a nosings, you see. It's not enough white, so need here is add little strip. Usually when you do in floor and you have staircase, need to start from staircase, install nosing first, or leave exactly the space how white nosings. I am usually doing temporary pieces here, and then when I have nosing, I install nosing. So also on the front, you see, they didn't cut yet carpet nose, and here is the carpet nose. Still we have, and then install floor over this nose. So need to cut nose. What I'm planning to remove this hold this board by this corner. Also I want to remove all these boards by the doorway, and then cut the nose, install riser, install new nosing, and then install floor. Some guys offer me idea, just cut here straight and install nose, but it's not looks like not look very good, because if you have a look on the front, you see this side is higher and this side is higher, middle it's lower. So if I put straight nose, middle of the nose will be higher. So it's really not good. So I mean, we can feel the edge of the nose. So in this case need to take the whole board out, and there is, you see, under the door, you see the close by, here is the higher, there is the lower, so very uneven. I want to start removing. Today is my plan to remove this all boards and landing, cut all nose, carpet nose, screw the steps, because you see sound. So I need to screw it in, and then tomorrow, maybe today, I will start installation. The easiest way to start it, install window stair first, and then start from upstairs going downstairs. So you see, here is a setup depth for the blade, exactly size of this wood floor, and now I want to cut it. You see, it's not glued down. Just pieces was on top of the glue. I'm wondering. I remove all old floor and previous installed, and want to do preparation stairs. Nice, huh? So here is in next day. You see, I clean up the floor and prepare the nose, this long one and the front, and also I made strip. You see the strip, and this floor go in this direction. There is a tongue, here is a groove, so I need to make turn because I need tongue to the nosing. So, and I made this strip. I will put inside. It's really bad installation. I would call glue down floating floor, because some some boot not glue it properly and moving in this side. If you remember, I easily remove the pieces. So because people don't using right trowel, it's the first things, and I don't know, maybe they apply the glue and wait so long and not glue it. So also, so what I am doing, for example, here you see tiles and floor. Here is a flat. Here is no need to overlap transition. They need to make it even. Floor just make board little bit wider and attach the floor, but they don't make it. I don't know what they wanna do here. You see, here should be nose. Never finish like this. They didn't ask about repairs, but I'm just really wondering how they take the job. Let's go to install this area, and I have to go to install the stairs. So this side a little bit in, so when I attach here, here is nosing this part, it's tight, but this has some gap. What I want to do, put this there. Nice. So here is tight, here is tight. So just we can start installation. So one more trick, or I don't know how you can say. So sometimes the drywall is not really straight. It's like, you know, with some bevel, and you see, and I cut off the drywall and nosing come in, and now it attached all the wall. But I will show you when I install it how it looks like. So, but before was here was gap ½ inch. So sometimes easy to cut drywall, it slide nosing in. here it is, always put glue. I use this glue, it's for floating floor. It's very fast dry, and glue it very properly. Okay, so now so you see, now we finished nosing, and this side is very good too. So, and I will show you on the bottom how it looks. Do you remember I told you sometimes drywall not straight? You see, when I undercut drywall, nosing, I move in, and now this side, you see, it's tight. See, it's tight. So I will make a return here, and that's it. And painter will fill up this gap. Here is many gaps. Oh. Okay, so now it will be much better.
I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.